Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting every photo from phones, cameras, and any USB sticks into one central folder on your computer. This reduces loss. Next, create a consistent folder structure like YIMMDD event name so you can find sets quickly. Once done, format and label an external drive and install reliable backup software. Make an immediate full copy of the master folder to that drive so you have one secured master before edits begin. You then clean and organize. Run a deduplication pass to isolate identical files and move doubtful copies to a quarantine folder so you never lose originals. After that, do a fast cull to remove clear rejects, then assign ratings or color labels for your favorites. This helps later exports. Make sure to write metadata, names, dates, locations, keywords, and copyright into the files now so that cloud syncs and future sorting retain Finish by implementing 3-2-1 backups. Keep 3 copies across 2 different media types and 1 offsite/cloud store. This guards against drive failure. Export a high-quality master archive for preservation and create smaller web-ready copies for sharing with family. Once complete, verify by performing a full restore test and schedule periodic integrity checks. If files fail or sync conflicts arise, restore the master from the external drive, rerun metadata write.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.